Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to explore how a CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System, can completely transform the way you maintain your church. We'll be diving into how to schedule work orders, organize volunteers, facilitate preventive maintenance tasks, increase safety, and even reduce energy consumption with the help of a CMMS. Stick around because we're about to make your life a whole lot easier. Welcome to another episode in our UpKeep video series, where we provide you with tools and resources to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful. Today we're talking about using a CMMS for church maintenance. A CMMS can be a game changer for churches, helping to schedule work orders, organize volunteers, facilitate preventive maintenance tasks, increase safety, and even reduce energy consumption. With a CMMS, church leaders can focus more on their core mission of spiritual development and building community. So let's dive into some tips on how to maintain your church using a CMMS. First up, let's talk about scheduling work orders. Whether your church has a paid maintenance manager, a small staff, or relies heavily on volunteers, a CMMS mobile solution can make a world of difference. This allows all team members to download an app on their smartphone, providing easy access to open maintenance tasks. Supervisors can schedule work orders and assign them to specific volunteers. The best part? Photos and instructions are easily accessible through the app on any mobile device or tablet. Next, let's discuss how a CMMS can help you organize volunteers. Many churches run periodic workdays, and once you've entered regular maintenance tasks into your database, you can easily create a report of all pending work. This could include anything from simple repairs to landscaping tasks. This feature allows the maintenance coordinator to easily recall and assign tasks to enthusiastic helpers of all ages. Preventive maintenance is another area where a CMMS can be incredibly beneficial. It's always less expensive to maintain things like HVAC equipment and church vehicles than to repair them in an emergency. A CMMS solution can help you schedule preventive maintenance tasks so that they are completed regularly and on time. Once you've set the frequency or schedules, the CMMS can automatically schedule work orders. Safety is paramount, and a CMMS solution can help ensure that volunteers or staff members perform tasks properly and safely by providing clear instructions on using equipment or performing basic repairs. In addition, tasks that require specific training or certification can be assigned to contractors or professionals as needed. Finally, a CMMS can help reduce energy consumption. When maintained properly, a CMMS can become a wealth of facility information that can support better decision-making. For example, you can easily analyze your energy consumption over a period of time. If costs are skyrocketing, it may indicate that HVAC systems are malfunctioning, or it may invite you to consider energy-saving upgrades. And that wraps up our video on how a CMMS can revolutionize church maintenance. We've discussed scheduling work orders, organizing volunteers, facilitating preventive maintenance tasks, increasing safety, and reducing energy consumption. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and resources. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.